Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices. Charge the DualSense Edge and open the Zen app on your PC. Connect the controller via USB-C so firmware and initial settings sync reliably. This prevents profile mismatches later. Once firmware is current, enable Bluetooth in Zen and pair the controller. This lets you test wireless latency and stick dead zones. Make sure the controller shows as connected in Zen before moving on. That confirmation saves time when you begin customizing inputs and layouts. With your device paired, open Zen and create a profile targeted to the game you'll play. Remap buttons and assign paddles for complex combos because hardware shortcuts reduce in-game menu time. Use preview mode to test stick curves and set trigger dead zones so accidental inputs disappear. This increases precision. Once satisfied, save the profile to both app and controller memory so it loads offline. If you need different behaviors, duplicate the profile and tweak one variable at a time to compare results. Finish by exporting your tuned profiles to Zen's cloud or a local backup so you never lose settings. Load the profile into the controller's onboard slots for quick switching without the app. Test directly in-game and make small adjustments. Change sensitivity by 5 to 10% rather than large swings to keep muscle memory intact. If you hit connectivity or odd inputs, repair the controller, power cycle the console or PC. Reset the controller with the pinhole button, and reflash firmware as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.